Are you tired of battling the crowds and paying premium prices when you travel? It's time to unlock a well-kept secret: off-season travel. In this article, we'll delve into the world of off-season travel and how it can lead to significant cost savings, making your dream vacation more affordable than you ever imagined. What is off-season travel? Off-season travel refers to visiting a destination during a period when it is less popular among tourists. This usually coincides with times when the weather is less favorable, but it comes with a host of advantages, not least of which is saving money. Cost-effective accommodation. During off-peak periods, you'll find a plethora of deals and discounts on accommodations. Consider the stunning city of Venice, Italy, for instance. In the summer, hotel rates can skyrocket, but if you visit in the winter, you'll discover charming boutique hotels along the canals offering incredible deals. A room with a view that might cost a small fortune in July could be yours for a fraction of the price in December. Affordable airfare. One of the most significant expenses for travelers is airfare, but it doesn't have to be. Off-peak travel often means more affordable flights. Take, for example, a trip to Iceland. In the summer, flight prices soar as tourists flock to witness the midnight sun. However, traveling during the winter months not only means cheaper flights but also a chance to witness the breathtaking northern lights. Fewer crowds. Picture yourself strolling through the Louvre Museum in Paris, or exploring the Grand Canyon, without jostling through hordes of tourists. During the off-season, you can enjoy popular attractions without the stress of battling crowds. This not only enhances your experience but also lets you capture those iconic Instagram-worthy shots without the hassle. Exclusive experiences. Off-season travel often opens doors to experiences you might not have during the peak season. For example, the Greek island of Santorini is synonymous with its stunning sunsets. However, during the off-season, you can enjoy a more intimate experience, book a table at a world-class restaurant without a reservation months in advance, and chat with locals who have time to share their stories. 5. Unique festivals and events. Off-peak travel doesn't mean sacrificing culture or entertainment. Many destinations host unique festivals and events during the shoulder season. For instance, Munich's Oktoberfest is world-famous, but the city also hosts the Winter Tollwood Festival, offering a different but equally vibrant cultural experience. Richer cultural immersion. During the off-season, locals have more time to interact with visitors, providing a deeper cultural experience. Exploring the Japanese cherry blossoms in spring is a classic choice, but consider visiting in late autumn, when the foliage turns fiery red, and the ancient temples are less crowded. Conclusion: off-season travel is a game-changer, offering not only significant cost savings but also the chance to explore destinations with a different perspective. Imagine saving on flights and accommodations, enjoying a more relaxed, crowd-free experience, and immersing yourself in local culture and events you might otherwise miss. It's time to start planning your off-season adventure and experience the world in a whole new light, and for a lot less money. So why wait? Start exploring the beauty of off-peak travel today.